Good morning. This is Aaron Kraft from Wycott Realtors Unlimited, and this is your real estate market update for November of 2020. Lots of interesting things happening in the real estate market, and so let's get into it. First things first, we'll look at some market absorption rates. These rates here are indicators of if we're in a buyer's market or seller's market. Typically, the lower that number, the more of a seller's market we are in. A 5 or a 6 is considered a normal market. And so as you see, and if you've been watching our market updates the last couple months, we have been in a pretty strong seller's market, and that has continued. You see the local, all of single family homes, all of the properties in these counties, this is the current absorption rate. So that's including all price ranges, all areas, and we're still at a very strong seller's market. I've got some rates for you to look at individual price ranges, but these are the indicators of seller's market or buyer's market. These are the actual number of homes active and those under contract in just the last 30 days for single family homes in the counties. So what does this mean? Well, as a buyer, it means that, if you're searching for the right home, you need to be prepared to write the offer when you find something that you like. You need to have your pre-approval or proof of funds ready to go. And you need to be alert and out there looking on a daily basis. And so our agents are willing to help with that as well. But it is a seller's market, so it doesn't mean that buyers can't find the right homes or have to overpay for homes. That's not true at all. It just means we have to be ready to go when things come up. And on that note, for sellers, it does mean that you're in a good spot to sell your home, but it also means if we look at some days on markets of average homes and things like that, you have to still be priced right. You can't be way overpriced because we still have to get the homes to appraise, and buyers are smart and they will see that you're overpriced. So you have to be priced right. Home has to be in good condition, or price reflecting that, and then you can get back. Then you can sell pretty quickly here. Okay, so looking at our days on market, these are the average and the median. I think median is a little bit better indicator of what's actually going to happen. But again, these are homes that are under contract. Last month, we looked at some of these stats of the average and median of all homes and then those that are under contract. This is what will happen, sellers, if you price correctly. You'll be under contract in a median of 11 days. But some of those homes that aren't priced correctly, they're still in the hundreds of days on market. So priced correctly and pretty much across the board in Western North Carolina, you're looking at a couple of weeks on the market as a median, okay? And then, like I said, let's look at by price, because it does change. The market absorption rate changes based on price and even based on certain cities in the counties, et cetera. So talk to your real estate agent about getting an absorption rate for the exact property you're looking for or for the property you're selling. But in general, in Buncombe County, single family homes, looking by price, up to 250,000, it's less than a 1. So it's, extremely strong seller's market. Even 250 to 400, it's just barely over a 1. Strong seller's market. The higher price you go, the higher the number goes, just because there's fewer buyers at that range. But even still, at the 1 million plus price range for single family homes, it's at a 3.6, which is an extremely low number for that price point. So you're still in a seller's market, even at that price point. And there are currently 137 homes for sale over $1 million in Buncombe County and 38 under contract. So that's what's, again, bringing us that number. Okay. So just gives you a little indication of the market here as we begin November. We're watching things carefully with the elections here in November. Actually, today is election day, and so go out and vote. But we'll see how after the election, how the real estate market responds. We are not anticipating any big jump either way, to be honest with you. We're expecting things to continue to be strong for sellers in Western North Carolina over the next couple of months and even through the winter. So if you're thinking of selling, now would be an outstanding time to do that. If you're looking to buy, the interest rates are incredibly low, and so you might want to take advantage of those as well. All right, any questions you have on the real estate market, feel free to give me a call directly. This is my cell phone number here, or you can call our office number up above and speak with any one of our agents here at Weichert Realtors Unlimited. Thank you for joining us today. Really appreciate it, and hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.